Connect Blackout roller blind. Tools required for hanging and trimming the blind. Drill, 6mm drill bit, screwdriver, spirit level, measuring tape, hacksaw, sharp scissors, ruler, pencil. Positioning the blind. Choose the mounting position for the blind, either inside or outside the recess. Inside the recess. Decide the position of the blind so that it will be clear of any latches and fixtures. Outside the recess. Decide the position of the blind so the overlaps on both sides of the recess are equal. It is advisable to allow a minimum of 51mm or 2-inch clearance on each side and above the window recess. Fixing the brackets. Decide which side you wish the blind to operate from. Using the correct bracket for each end, mark the position. A, B, wood frames only, and A and C for PVC frames, checking with a steel tape measure and spirit level that they're level. Using the correct fixings for your wall type, fix the brackets into place. Trimming the blind to size. Remove the bottom bar from inside the roller tube. Place the spindle and connect pulley housing into the roller blind. Measure the difference between the inner faces and the brackets and the end flat surfaces of the assembled blind. This will be your trim measurement. Unroll the blind onto a smooth flat surface and remove the spindle, connect pulley housing, and the bottom bar. Slide the blind fabric from the roller tube. Working from the fabric edge inward, mark a dotted line down the length of the fabric to the trim distance. Using sharp scissors, cut down the length of the fabric. Working from the roller tube edge, mark the trim distance and using a fine hacksaw, cut the roller to size. Trim the bottom bar to the width of the fabric and insert into the blind bottom pocket. Insert the fabric back into the roller tube and roll up the blind up ready for fitting. Installing the blind. Insert the spindle and connect pulley housing back into the desired ends of the roller blind. Locate the square hole in the connect pulley house onto the square spur on the pulley side bracket. Place the round stem on the spindle into the spindle bracket channel and slide until it locates into the cup section. To hold the blind secure, slide the spindle bracket locking key into place as shown. Reinstalling the connect pulley housing release wheel. This blind is installed with a connect pulley housing, which releases the cord chain in the event of a child becoming entangled. Should the cord chain be released, please read these instructions carefully before reinstalling. Please note, when operating this blind, do not use excessive force when raising or lowering the blind, so as not to trigger the connect pulley house to release the pulley release wheel and chain. Children can be strangled if the connect pulley housing is not properly installed. Keep these instructions for future reference. Use of safety devices helps reduce the risk of strangulation, but cannot be considered entirely foolproof. Release the support locking pin and remove the blind from the brackets and remove the connect pulley housing from the blind. Place the cord chain around the pulley wheel on the side with the screw head. Holding the cord chain in place, position the cog side of the pulley wheel into the inner side of the connect housing. Make sure the spot on the center of the release wheel is to the wheel top when inserted. Press the pulley wheel firmly into the housing until it clicks into place. Reassemble the roller blind and install.